Okay, Mommy.
Where are we?
In the dark place.
In a dark place?
What is moving up?
Here we go. Watch, look in front. Tell the camera what we're inside.
We're in a dark cave.
Oh, a dark cave. Are we in the car wash?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here comes the soap.
Oh.
Isn't that cool, buddy?
Yeah.
Looks like a candy cane, right?
Like,
You see it,
that's so
Maverick?
cool.
Whoa!
Look at the front.
Look at the front.
Look, it came for us.
Yeah.
I gave us sunshade. Whoa! Look at that smell.
Yeah, that's the brush that cleans the car, gets all the bugs off. I'm glad we got this done. That was a good idea. Where's it going? You gonna come back?
Whoa! It's doing again?
Uh-huh.
What's that doing?
Those give the car a good scrubbing. Gets all the dirt off. Now we're doing the rinse. Oh, wait. Oh, this is the fun one. This is the big one that cleans your windshield. Here it comes. Look at the front, Maverick. Look.
Daddy!
Isn't that cool?
Yeah! Yes, Daddy. Whoa! The fan!
There's
Whoa!
fans up there.
How much was this one?
$10.
Oh, good.
Are
It
we
was 7, 8,
now?
9, or 10. I
Yeah.
did 10.
And then a really powerful air jet's gonna come and blow the car dry.
Should I open the window when it does it?
Tell Daddy, no way.
No.
Oh
No.
See what it did to that mirror?
yeah.
Only that one.
This is a lot. It does a lot of work.
It's finite.
Almost done. Okay. Now the air jets should be coming soon. Oh, this is the rinse. We're getting a quick rinse.
How are we staying inside?
It's just like if... Oh, there it goes.
Oh, that's a nice rinse.
Wow, this is a nice looking car now. Look at Maverick, all the bugs are gone. See the windshield?
Look it. Whoa.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's doing the bottom too. That looked like it has some soap in it.
Why the phones?
Okay, I think... Well, $10 takes a... does a good... This must be the special wax
Yeah,
coating.
it must have it.
A nice rinse.
Yep. A nice...
Hey.
Yeah, bud. Wasn't that cool?
Oh. Here comes the...
Mark, are you ready?
Oh, it didn't... Oh, did we... Here's where we go through the exit.
Yeah, Maverick, watch all the water.
Watch the water come off.